Hey estate planners, Heath Rost here, back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to talk about why blogging for lead generation is the future of marketing for estate planning attorneys. Love this topic. I always love talking about blogging. The world of blogging, especially for an estate planner, is so huge, so vast, and there's so many fun, really nerdy things that you can learn from the way your customers are interacting with your website, and just the questions that your customers are asking, and actually learning more about who your customers are so you can better understand them. So having done this for up to almost 10 years now for estate planners, working with them on their websites, their blogs, studying the analytics, studying what's converting and your Google ads, I've really systematized exactly what blogs people should be writing, estate planning attorneys and law firms should be writing to answer their customers' questions and actually convert them into leads. And I kind of just want to break that down in today's video. So I'm going to share my screen here. Oh, yeah, you guys saw that. That's okay. All right, so this is my second time doing this video too, because the first time the video cut out. So I'd rather have mishaps like that than have to re-record. Anyways, this left side, I've kind of just given you an example of just like a few questions that people are typing into Google. A lot of people don't even know that they need an attorney to get an estate plan set up, and they don't even know if they need an estate plan or what an estate plan is. So just some examples of questions. Do I need a will or trust? Do I need an estate plan? How to create a trust? And over here on the right is just examples of a couple of blog posts that you might have on your website. So a title of a post might be the difference between a will and a trust. How to avoid probate. When people are typing things into their search bar, it's because they want to know answers to these questions. And what's really neat and what's really unique after studying the analytics and what converts for estate planning attorneys is that they might be asking this question, do I need a will or trust? How do I create a trust? And they might be asking like that same question, 3 or 4 other ways. And the title of one of your blog posts, in this instance, we have the arrows drawn to the difference between a will or a trust, might be what these people are clicking on because they think, hey, that might be actually what that might have the answer that I'm looking for. So, picture all the different questions that people are asking, they're typing into Google. When you have tons of blog posts on your website that are all titled differently, you're going to attract different people dependent upon what they're typing, and you're going to get more conversions that way. And the trick is, after you get a nice amount of blogs on your website, you can study and analyze this data, and you can say, all right, that was the post. Like, we're getting traffic from this search, this question, this question, this question, and this one's actually converting. So let's promote this even more. Let's do more blogs like this. So, fast forward 10 years, analyzing the data, coaching estate planners how to write blogs that actually convert and get traffic organically and through paid ads. That's what we help people with. And that's what, you and your law firm can do yourself as well. With that, that's the primary thing that I wanted to share about that. A couple of notes. I mentioned having a good amount of blogs on your website. So you really want to have at least 30. 30 is like an okay amount of blogs for an estate planner, and a good amount would be 50 blogs, and a great amount would be anything over 100. So if you have less than 30, I'd encourage you, if you want to be getting more traffic through organic search, answering your customers' questions, getting them to know, like, and trust you, to start a business blog. How can we help you? I'm a blog coach, and what I do is I work with you over the course of 6 months to write blog posts that are going to be answering your customers' questions and give you a very strong foundation, and also give you the titles and the content that needs to be written in each of these blogs that people are going to click on, when they're searching for an answer to their question. So it's going to convert for you, and it's going to bring you more business. And over the course of the 6 months, of course, you're writing the blogs. You are going to have a tool belt and you're going to build out that tool belt. So you're going to have all the tools that you need to be able to continue blogging on your own, or I can continue working with you, being that accountability, checking for grammar, punctuation, analyzing your analytics, and helping you determine what would be the next best thing to write about, and how to go about writing it and publishing it. So if that's something that you would be interested in having a further discussion about, I'm going to drop a link so you can schedule a session with me and we can talk about it. If this video was helpful, make sure you like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.